I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast better. Preheat a skillet and whisk eggs with milk, sugar, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. I'll walk you through ingredient swaps, soaking techniques, and optimal cooking temperatures so every slice turns out golden and tender. Expect practical tips on bread selection, batter consistency, and timing. Stay with me and you'll upgrade your breakfast routine with simple, delicious steps you can repeat daily. Start by choosing your bread and perfecting the batter, because small changes make a big difference. I'll suggest ratios for eggs to liquid and explain why full-fat milk or half and half creates better texture and color. Learn how to balance sugar and spices, and when to add extracts or citrus for brightness. These little adjustments help your French toast taste bakery quality while staying simple enough for a weekday morning. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes cooking easier by handling timers, hands-free measurements, and setting the mood with music while you cook. It's small, affordable, and fits neatly on a countertop, which I love for busy mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Cooking technique is where home cooks often lose points, so I'll guide you through heat control and pan choices. Use medium heat, plenty of butter or oil, and flip only when the surface sets and a golden crust has formed. For thicker slices, transfer to a low oven to finish without overbrowning. I'll also share a quick test to check doneness and tips for keeping finished slices warm without drying them out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.